Hey guys, it's AG1505 AJ here, and welcome back to another video. So we did hit 50 subscribers, so yeah. Before we start the mail time, do you guys think that I should give the stuff away on the stream, or just like after the stream, then pick out the comments? Because I guess it wasn't really fair that some of you weren't at the stream, so you didn't really get a chance. Ah, dang it. I'm really stupid. I should have entered the names in the comments and the people from the stream. God. Okay, sorry. Won't happen again, guys. But yeah, I'll do the new giveaway maybe like tomorrow or something, because I don't really feel like doing it now. Okay, let's start. So here is from Melanie. Animal Jam rocks. Yes, it does. Ooh, pigtails. Thank you so much. I love pigtails. Pigtails look so sweet. Oh, thank you. And it's rare, so woo. Thank you so much. And you got Mailtime. Ooh, thank you so much. Mailtime. Oh, that's so. Thank you. Okay, so thank you all for sending me something. If you didn't, it's okay. You don't have to. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. What? Oh yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Ooh, thank you so much. Fat fluffy awesome cat. Oh my gosh. You're the best. So are you. Thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the friendship helmet. I'm pretty sure you can only get it from the membership bundle, so thank you so much for that. Ooh, thanks. Now I don't have to spend like 5,000 gems. Thank you very much. Yay! Thank you so much. Okay, I'll talk to her later. And thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Ooh, thank you for the rare witch hat. Ribbon scarf. Thank you. Thank you for being my best friend. Ooh, more pigtails. And then a secret Valentine. Enjoy. Ooh, bat glasses. Thank you all so much for 50 subscribers and for all the gifts. Oh my gosh, thank you. I need to go. Dang it, she's offline. But if you're watching it, thank you so much, everyone. That means a lot that you gave me some of your stuffs. Ooh, ooh, yes. Ugh. Thank you. That is like one of my first spike ever, like, because I don't even have one. So thank you so much. That, oh my gosh. I think I might actually give that away. Okay, in a separate video. I might. Don't quote me on that. Because I just got it. Okay, this video is a little too long, but thank you all so much for 50 subscribers. Thank you so much for sending me stuff. Okay, yeah. Come check out my shop, Sadie Puppers. It's always open. Unless there's a creepy guy in here and I have to lock him out. That once happened. Maybe I should save that for story time. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for 50 subscribers and thank you for sending me gifts. Okay, bye.